30s, they had used a type 38 Arisaka rifle, which is a 6.5 millimeter. And in the late 30s, because of our 30-06 and the British 303, they decided to go with the 7.7, and this is called the Type 99 rifle. Okay. They all had originally chrysanthemums, which is the symbol of the emperor, right on the receiver here. But some people say that when we surrendered these things, the GIs were told to grind them off. Others said that Japanese soldiers themselves decided they didn't want to surrender the symbol of the emperor, so they ground them off. But whoever did it, somebody did it, because most of the time you find the chrysanthemums are gone. I know Chuck's got some in his collection with the chrysanthemum. I got two with the chrysanthemum, but they are harder to get and they cost more. I paid $250 for this one a couple weeks ago. It's a 7.7, and it holds a 5-round mag clip. Give me some rounds on it. So this one's like this.
How many rounds can he carry?
Let's see, carry 50, I think, in each one of these boxes, and then in the back one, I think it's 100.
100.
He was loaded, huh?
Oh, we got to
I'll have to
push
look
into
it
the
up.
water.
I'm not quite sure.
They didn't have a zip strip or anything?
Yeah, they did.
They did.
But I don't have one. Right.
Having to be fresh out.
Okay, this is my 5th round in here. What we're going to do, if it's okay with Chuck, take it outside and fire it.
Go
ahead.
This.
Blanks, I assume?
These are blanks.
No, we're looking at those geese over there.
If you get a muskrat, I'll give you $20.
All right, let's go outside and fire it. So I want you to listen to what it sounds like over here. All right, I'm going to fire first. Now you listen to this, okay? Listen to the difference in sound. Go ahead. Okay. You hear the difference?
Yeah, absolutely.
All I heard was 2 bangs.
Yeah. And it sounds different.
All right, one more time. Ready?
Much more sedated, yours is.
Yeah, there's a difference.
There's a better aura to it.
Yeah. Got a ring to it.
Elias, you want to try it?
Superior Private.
This is shorter than mine.
That was enough to it.
Got in that tank.
What if I put that water tower? Oh, you missed. You missed. This is a Arisaka Type 38, 6.5 millimeter. And we can see the chrysanthemum has not been scratched out. Very rare. This was the standard rifle used by the Japanese Army.